Hi, I'm Ms. Becky from Virginia Beach Public Library. Welcome to another fun Finger Gym to Go program. I hope you picked up your kits from Central Library and you're ready to go. Today we're going to have fun with crawling critters. Inside your kit, you should have, let's see what we got in here, green construction paper, stapled to manila piece of paper. This is a cutting or tearing activity, or rolling. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. You should also have 2 pieces of cardstock with snails on them. They'll be attached with yarn to 2 popsicle sticks. You should have a picture of an anthill. And you'll have a little bag of black beans with that. And you should have a finger play. Okay, adults, these activities are designed to give your child a chance to practice important fine motor skills. Some of these activities will be easier than others. The most important thing that you can do is to help your child and encourage him, but not to do them for him. They need to be able to figure it out, with your support, of course. These activities will help your child learn and practice tearing or cutting paper with scissors, child size, of course, squeezing glue bottles to get just the right amount of glue out, pinching and grabbing objects like these beans and putting them in the precise place, eye-hand coordination for gluing or putting the beans in the right place. Using both hands for 2 different activities will help practice both left and right brain skills. Okay, ready for activity 1? This is called What is Hiding in the Grass? For this activity, you're going to have to be patient and don't peek. There's something hiding under the grass. You might need scissors if you want to practice cutting. If not, you can tear or roll, but I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. Do you see how the grass is nice and thick and green? While holding down the grass with one hand, or holding it down with a tape dispenser, a stapler, or a book, you need to trim it to see what's hiding underneath. You can cut it with your scissors. You can tear it carefully, or you can roll it with a crayon or a pencil. One blade of grass at a time. No peeking. If you have trouble with scissors and you want to try them, ask an older person to show you how. Try it again. If it's still too hard, that's okay. You'll learn. Instead, for this time, just try tearing it off or rolling, and you'll soon see what's under the grass. Look and see what you can find, and then you can color it. Okay, here's activity 2. Racing snails. Have you ever seen snails race before? Well, these are going to be the fastest snails you have ever seen. Okay, so you have your 2 snails, and first you color your snail however you like. They could be rainbow colors, one color. You don't even have to color it if you don't want to. Once you finish coloring them, then you have to put them together. If you notice, they have folds on them where the dotted line is. You're going to make sure you fold them, crease them good, and then you're going to fold this very last one, and you're going to either tape or glue this together. I find that tape is a lot easier. You just take one piece, and if you need help, have somebody hold the snail for you while you put the tape down. Do the same thing with each one. When your snails are all put together, then you can have races. You have 2 snails. I'm going to show you mine. Here are the ones I colored. You have 2 of them. I think we're ready for a snail race. Stretch them out. And you're going to race your snail, make your snail move by rolling the stick. See how it moves? Just like that. Now I have to race myself but see if you can find somebody to race with you. Okay, this is our third activity. The ants go marching. Have you ever seen an ant farm? Can you imagine what the inside of an ant hill might look like? Can you imagine all those tunnels? How does an ant find its way around? I have no idea. See this little ant right here? You're going to help it find its way out of the anthill. Parents, remember the main goal of this activity is for your child to practice pinching and grabbing and gluing, not necessarily to find its way out, although that's a great goal. Finding the way out isn't the most important goal. Look at the ant at the bottom of the hill. If you see the way out for him, glue the black beans along the pathway. Remember, these are ants. I think they kind of look like ants. Glue them on one at a time along the pathway that you think will lead the ant to the hole at the top. If you hit a dead end, that's okay. You should have plenty of beans to find. When you're gluing, remember, a little dab will do you. You don't need a huge puddle of glue because that'll make a gigantic mess. All you need is a little dot, a dab. Drop your bean or your ant right on the glue and do the next one until you can find his way out. Okay, one more program to do. We have a finger gym. Yours is going to be on this green card right here. All the finger gym. The finger play words are here with the instructions on how to do it. Watch me do it first, and I'll do the motions, and then I'll do it one line at a time, and you just copy what I do, and then we'll do it all together all at once. You ready? Okay. So it's called caterpillar, and you need to get your finger wiggly like a caterpillar, and it goes like this. Caterpillar creeping. Caterpillar crawl. Caterpillar climbing all along the wall. Caterpillar spinning. Caterpillar snug. Caterpillar changing. What have you become? A butterfly. Yes, just like that. So we're going to do it one line at a time again. You repeat after me or do it with me, and then we'll do it again. Get out your caterpillar finger. You can use whatever finger you want. Thumb, pinky, other hand, doesn't matter. Ready? Caterpillar creeping. Go ahead and do it. Caterpillar crawl. Caterpillar climbing all along the wall. Caterpillar spinning. Caterpillar snug. Caterpillar changing. What have you become? A butterfly. Good job. Now let's do it all together. Ready? Caterpillar creeping. Caterpillar crawl. Caterpillar climbing all along the wall. Caterpillar spinning. Caterpillar snug. Caterpillar changing. What have you become? A butterfly. Excellent job. You guys did a really good job at that. Keep playing it. Show your friends and your family. So that's it today for our Finger Gym to Go program. I don't know about you, but I had a lot of fun with this one. I hope you did too. Look for finger gyms in the future. We have another one next month. In June, it's going to be all about rainbow activities. I hope to see you then. And please don't forget to share your creations and your pictures on the VBPL Instagram and Facebook pages. I would love to see them. Bye.